Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and when I was priming some other canvases I had a little bit more black paint on than I knew what to do with. So I basically just wiped it onto the canvas, and then I dribbled some paint and spun my turntable around and let my spatula do the work. I don't know what's going to come of this. Doesn't really matter. It's going to be a stage in any case. Not sure I can get any jasmine out, but I'd like to. I've got a color called Tangerine. That's a combination of sour lemon, Prizm pour, and hollyberry. Kind of thinking I'm going to put a little bit of Rhapsody Rose where the white is. It's a triple prime canvas when I buy it. I'll leave that on its side. I think I'm going to use some red violet also. And I've got color on my spatula, so I might as well use it. And I like how that so-called tangerine looked. I do love this color combination. I do like also how strong the Prizm pour colors are. It means you can definitely spread them out if you want to. I'm hearing the call to either more red violet I'm thinking some yellow is coming. I've got yellow-orange mixed up. Which isn't coming out very easily, but it is coming out, and that's a good thing. Thinking I might even reintroduce some white. I do want to get most of the color off my spatula, so the yellow stays nice and bright. Hearing the call to some blue, and I'm wondering if Snapdragon's the way to go. I wanted some gold in this from the start, so let's see where it goes. This might just be really fast. It also might be time to wipe off my spatula. Oh, I forgot to grab my sponge out of the bucket. Kept hearing the call to some African violet. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I do wish I'd leave some white behind, but if I leave white behind, it's that canvas that I started with. Not sure about that. I want some more Rhapsody Rose. Maybe I'd be better off with some Jasmine. Maybe a little Dancing Fuchsia won't hurt anything. I like the dots. Maybe the white will come in handy if... Maybe the white will come into it if I use it to make dots. I like that brighter. I've got saffron. And maybe I want a small brush. I'll use my small silicone brush. I forget how much fun it is to scrape through. I still want some gold. I still want to scrape through while it's wet enough for me to do that. I'm going to do the gold. I better do it soon because I don't think I'm going to want to after a while. Unless it's on white, the hot pink colors usually darken up quite a bit. Let's try some gold. That's pretty cool. I'm having fun. I wasn't sure I was going to paint today. I want a tool. This is a spatula head made of silicone in this case, could be plastic. Not sure I love that. So maybe I'll put a little black over it right now. Bring back the black. That's not bothering me a bit. Just using my paint residuals. That's kind of fun. Does it go in all directions? Not sure I love that either. Maybe it needs more gold instead of less. Or more texture. That kind of worked. I'm not sure why I think so. I was watching these multi-layer compositions by artists who do larger works than I do, and wondering why I can't get myself to the place where I can just keep adding and adding and adding more layers. But I tend to like what I have as I go along sometimes. I'm thinking a little tiny bit of orange crush, and then I'm going to call it good. Yeah. I think saffron up there. I like re-exposing colors that I covered up and adding new colors and using colors I've already got on my spatula. And I do have a nail art tool. Not the one I want, that one I lost. But I can still make marks. Some, anyway. I didn't add the white that I said I might. I'm less concerned than I was about fixing or filling any of the white that's left behind. I like what I have. There, I'm calling that good. And if I need to add something else, which might be the gold, I might not be done. Now that I've turned it. But I might be done now. Yeah, I think so. Cool. And I do have my phone. And I will be blacking my edges. So the random black marks worked out pretty well. I don't really believe in my heart that it matters where they were. Wow, it blends right into the background. Oh, sorry about that. If there's something I can do about that. Hang on, I'll try. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.